हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। डिस्कस करते हैं द हिंदू एडिटोरियल एनालिसिस। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। बांग्लादेश रिफ्यूज टू ट्रैवल टू इंडिया फॉर वर्ल्ड कप। बांग्लादेश रिफ्यूज, ऐसे रिफ्यूजेस सिंगुलर फॉर्म के लिए एस या ई एस लगाते हैं रिफ्यूजेस। तो जब सिंगुलर फॉर्म में लेंगे तब यहाँ पे बांग्लादेश जो बात हो रही है एक टीम की या द क्रिकेट बोर्ड की, इसको हम कलेक्टिव नाउन की तरह देखते हैं। तो इसमें दोनों करेक्ट होती है। रिफ्यूज यहाँ पे सही है। बांग्लादेश रिफ्यूज टू ट्रैवल टू इंडिया फॉर वर्ल्ड कप। बांग्लादेश विल नॉट ट्रैवल। बांग्लादेश विल नॉट ट्रैवल to India for the T20 World Cup next month। विल के साथ V1 होती है, ट्रैवल यहाँ पे V1 है, ठीक है। बांग्लादेश विल नॉट ट्रैवल टू इंडिया फॉर द T20 वर्ल्ड कप नेक्स्ट मंथ अंडर करंट कंडीशंस and have requested their matches be moved elsewhere, the country's cricket board has said। Next, Bangladesh bowler Mustafizur Rahman was released by his Indian Premier League team at the request of the Indian board amid growing tensions between the countries that led to an emergency meeting at the Bangladesh Cricket Board, who now say they have formally requested the International Cricket Council moves all Bangladesh's matches. The board believes that such a step is necessary to safeguard the safety and well-being of Bangladeshi players, team officials, board members and other stakeholders, and to ensure that the team can participate in the tournament in a secure and appropriate environment, a statement said. The move threatens to bring chaos to a competition which begins on 7 February and has already been affected by the political tensions between India and Pakistan। बांग्लादेश आर यहाँ पे प्लूरल फॉर्म में दिए हैं जो कि कलेक्टिव नाउन है। बांग्लादेश ड्यू टू प्ले all 4 of their group stage matches in India, including on the opening day against West Indies and against England in Kolkata on 14 February। The tournament is being co-hosted by Sri Lanka, where all Pakistan's matches will be played because of the tensions with India. The killing of a Hindu man during violent protests in Bangladesh pushed strained ties between Bangladesh and India into a deeper crisis। The man was accused of blasphemy and beaten to death by a mob in Muslim majority Bangladesh in an episode that resulted in protests by Hindu nationalists groups in India. Anti-India sentiment in Bangladesh has grown since former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina fled to the country in 2024. India has not agreed. हैज के साथ V3 लगती है, agreed यहाँ पे V3 है. India has not agreed to send her back despite several requests. While violent protests broke out over the murder of Sharif Osman Hari, a prominent student leader in Bangladesh, Mustafizur was withdrawn from an IPL. यहाँ पे was के बाद V3 लगा हुआ है, withdrawn V3 है, राइट. तो सेंटेंस पैसिव वॉइस में है. जब सेंटेंस पैसिव वॉइस में होती है तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद V3 लगाते हैं. तो मुस्तफर was withdrawn from an IPL contract with Kolkata Knight Riders on Saturday. No reason for the decision was given by the Board of Control for Cricket. यहाँ पे was प्लस V3 है, given भी V3 है, तो सेंटेंस पैसिव वॉइस में है. No reason for the decision was given by the Board of Control for Cricket in India, but Secretary Devajit Saikia referenced recent developments.